I have patiently been waiting for today for my insurance to do whatever so that I can use it again. And I knew the temperature would be dropping. It went from it was in the 70s yesterday to below freezing this morning. And I knew that my battery would be dead, and I was prepared for it. But the problem I had last week or the week before with my starter is back. Now, I feel like I could probably get it running, but I would need to be attempting to start the car while underneath it banging on the starter, which I don't see a way to actually do. So I'm just stuck in my car, can't get my meds, can't do anything really, but that is all I've been thinking about for the last fucking 2 or 3 days. All I thought about yesterday was how I just don't want to be here anymore. That's all I could think all day. And I haven't for a long time. I also think about all the people that have reached out and then just vanish. That really gets me. It's like, why bother? Why bother me if you just want me to tell you my story and then ghost me? I didn't like people in the first place, but this whole thing has just really made it difficult to try to socialize. I have no idea what to do. I can't, yesterday I tried to improve my situation because when I'm stressed, I like to fix things. But now I can't even find my battery meter, so really hoping that I would pay my storage bill today, get the meds, and then either buy a new battery or be on my way, try to find something to sell and get one. But the worst part is it's supposed to be 2 days of cold, and then I don't know if it's gonna get this cold again the rest of the year, but here we are.